Greetings. I want to help you get ready for the upcoming How to Get on a Board workshop. The pre-reads are helpful, and the one thing we've asked you to do that a lot of people find helpful is to take some early thoughts at your own positioning. It's going to be the first exercise we do in the workshop, and this gives you a jump start. Basically, to prepare for that, think about your own hopes and needs, board level problems and opportunities you're interested in playing with, and your own strengths. And for this exercise, take a look at three things. One, your target, your benefit, and your reason to believe. In terms of target, think about the problem or opportunity you want to solve at the board level. So write down, essentially complete the sentence, for boards in need of the problem or the opportunity. That's one. Two, the benefit. Think about what you can do for them, not what they can do for you. This is not what you need. We did that before. This is what you can do for them, the benefit you can create, the benefit you can deliver to the board and the organization. So lay out, think through what you can do for them, how you can help them guide or oversee or advise on something. And then finally, why they should believe you. So this is the based on piece. For boards in need of what I can do for them is and you should believe me because of this set of strengths, because of this knowledge that I've got, this experience I've got, and most importantly, why you care, why you're motivated, and a little bit that gives them an insight into why this matters to you. If you do that at any level, you will be better prepared for the first exercise at the board workshop. Look forward to seeing you there.